Hello po! Nandito si Dwaine. Mag-vlog po siya.
Hello! Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back sa isang Dwantro Vlog starring Pabibo.
Bebe.
Pabibe! Hello! Hello, baby! And of course, the Nitro card. Yes, Nitro card. Oh, and a puppy dog. Hello, Dwantro Fam. Papunta pa tayo dyan. Or dun. Dun pala, no? Hindi pala dyan. Crossing the road now. And papunta tayo dito sa... Oh! What happened?
Oh,
The wheel fell off. Kakainis to. Anong klaseng prank to? Nahulog yung gulong. Kakainis.
Ba't ba yun?
Saan yung gulong?
Ikaw kasi yung nag-assemble niyan. Kunin mo doon.
Kakainis.
Baby, natuwa di ko ano. Di daddy, di rin mo ako yung pag-assemble ano.
Hala ka. Bata na naman eh.
It's so
Pangalawang beses na
funny.
to ha, nahulog yung gulong. Ito.
Ano ba yan?
Okay, that's better, isn't it? Yes, that's better. Let's lock it now. Lock. There we go, now it's locked.
Dabarchin mo, baby. Dabarchin mo, baby.
Lock. Now it's locked. Hey Dwantro Fam! I just wanted to quickly tell you about a YouTube channel na medyo similar sa channel namin called The Richmonds. Now in this YouTube channel, you will see Trisha Richmond with her husband and their baby Thorvey. Parang kaedad ni Nitro, a little bit older siguro. Ayan, so they do family vlogs. So check them out, The Richmonds, guys. Ayun. Subscribe na kayo dun, guys. The Richmonds, link to their channel is in the description below. Andito po tayo ngayon sa Display Home Village kasi maghanap tayo ng bahay. So, di ba? Naghanap kami ng lupa. Ngayon naman, papatayo namin ang bahay. So, ito yung mga display home dito. Pasok po tayo. Check natin kung anong pinakamagandang bahay. Char. Kung anong pinakamura na bahay siguro.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind.
Yeah. Fancy meeting you here. That was gonna help us find a house here at the Covella Display Village. Alright, Australian Building Company. Let's check these houses out. Ang ganda, no? Sosyal, mga bahay dito. Ako. Halika dito. Halika na. Sige na. Ito siya, wow. Master bedroom, eh? Oh, the ensuite. Nice. Got a shower, toilet. Sealed for hygienic purposes, don't use.
Excuse me.
Ang ganda, di ba? Ito. May grabe yung bed there. Di talaga. Ito. And there's a book. Any man, yeah.
I mean, this one. I don't have the other one.
Oh, okay.
That's probably the
YouTube
size.
studio, mate. YouTube studio, this should be. Yes.
Can you switch that to that?
What?
Switch this one to there and
No, why would you want to do that? So this is the Eden, this is the 150 grand one or whatever
Yeah.
we're looking at. This is it?
Yeah, this is it. This is it.
Yeah.
But
here.
this one's a bit bigger.
Oh, okay.
Back section.
And the ceilings are higher too, yeah?
Yeah.
Which is here.
High ceilings, yeah.
Oh, it's just
And even, oh, it's a closet. We got a little laundry room here at the inside.
This is a nice
Side
house.
Yeah, yeah, really nice.
I like the laundry room.
Oh, nice.
You don't get this.
It goes to the office.
Oh, does it?
Look at that.
There's no.
Alright, Dwantro Fam, eto nang katapusan ng vlog na to. Wow, may bagong gupit. Yun, alright, so shout out pa natin yung mga golden Dwantro Fam natin. So we have Da Ramis, 6 Sticks. Wow, that's a new one. 6 Sticks. Shane Mansborg, Kiko Arps, Swiss Humanity, TradeX General Trading LLC, Regina Cielis Art Shop, Murder King's Vlog, Cheryl Suarez Buo, Conchita Dokot, Jolie Inocencio, Nisi Cho, Pinay for Life, Rosel Ruiz Nofke, the Urupino Fam, the Scotty Fam in Brisbane, the Aussie and his wife, the Ramsey family, DXMT, Haley and Ashley sisters, Christina Arsenio Dunsmuir, Natty Von Tien, Tosca Acorda, and Jocelyn Natividad. Maraming salamat Dwantro Fam sa panunood sa vlog na to. Very exciting times. Magkakaroon na tayo ng bahay. Sana depende kung makakautang kami sa bank. So depende lang. Tingnan natin. Alright guys, thanks for watching and kita-kits sa sunod na video natin. Bye for now.
Really wanna take you home tomorrow. I said it before and I'll say it again. Forever. And the day with you
Shine so bright like the morning sun.
I really wanna walk